Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share this month's 3 add-on kits. So we have 3 add-ons that coordinate with our flavors of the month. So it can give you more cardstock, pattern paper, or embellishments. So you can add 1, 2, or all 3. We also have the Shots of Life, which coordinate, so you can get more pattern paper and embellishments by checking that out. I'll have video links at the end, so be sure to watch those as well. So we're going to dig in and take a closer look at each one of these add-ons so you can see everything that you're getting. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. So with it, you're going to get 2 sheets of one color and 1 sheet of another color of cardstock. This is great if you like to do double page layouts with cardstock backgrounds and you want them to match. So starting with Echo Park, Our Story Matters, you're going to get 1 sheet of olive and 2 sheets of watermelon. For the Fancy Pants Unique Collection, you're going to get 2 sheets of Mauve Ice and 1 sheet of Sweetheart. You can see how well these cardstocks match the pattern paper. Rochelle does an awesome job with that. For Pretty Little Studio Sunkissed, you're going to get 1 sheet of yellow and 2 sheets of deep teal. And then Vicky Bouton's Where To Next, you're going to get a sheet of Sunbeam and 2 sheets of Caribbean Breeze. So many beautiful colors to work with this month. Our next add-on is the pattern paper add-on. And with this add-on, you get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So these are not going to be duplicates of what you already have in your kit. They're going to be 2 different pattern papers. So from Echo Park, Our Story Matters, we have this beautiful floral with the pink striped. The back is a blue gingham. This paper is called Lovely Floral. Then we have a plaid in all of the different colors. The back is a white plus sign on black. This paper is called Happy Plaid. For the Fancy Pants Unique Collection, we have this paper that's called My Story, and it's peacock feathers in the purple and the pink. The back is this gorgeous text print. Then we have this paper called Trust Your Wings, which is these beautiful kind of delicate pink roses or maybe even peonies with their buds on that gold background. Then we have a 2-toned blue with the birds in the bird cages. From Pretty Little Studio Sunkissed, this paper is called Sidewalk Art, and I think this is a lot of fun. It's kind of like a brush stroke of patterned paper in all of the different colors. So this would be a great background, or half of it as a background. It's going to be a lot of fun to work with. The back are all of these little small icons of florals, hearts, and those sweet little ducks from this collection. This paper is called Backyard Beauty, which I'm sure all of us would love a backyard full of these beautiful flowers, and they got in the little bumblebee and the ladybug, so that's super sweet. The back is a star print. Then Vicky Bouton's Where To Next, we have this paper called The View Here. Her papers are always great. She does these background pages that you just don't even have to do anything with. And this is one of them. So we have that big sun with the rays coming out and then this bottom swatch of color. So you could totally add a floral, or a photograph over here, some florals or different embellishments, and your journaling, that page could be done. The back is a geometric design of the gold and the dark pink, a full branding strip of stripes in the pink and orange. This paper is called Travel Notes. This is another fun play on stripes, so you could use this all together or cut some of it apart. The back is a white floral on black with a bicycle border. So let's take one more look at all of the pattern papers in this kit. So some gorgeous B-sides and A-sides. Our third add-on is the embellishment add-on. This is another one of my favorite. So for Our Story Matters from Echo Park, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So this has this floral scalloped border down here, typewriters, so you could put them on a page as a border just like they are here, or use them up separate. We have Stories from the Heart you could use for a title telling all our stories, and then these little banners you could use for subtitles. I love all of the glasses. I don't know about you, but the older I get, the more glasses I have. Pencils and pens, so super cute. For the Fancy Pants Designs Unique Collection, you're going to get half a pack of the enamel dots. So again, all you purple girls, if you love the color purple, then grab these up because you get a dark purple, a light purple, and then kind of that periwinkle. And this one is even, it kind of appears white, but it has a little bit of a purple cast to it. So that's a lot of fun. For the Pretty Little Studio Sun-Kissed collection, you're going to get some of the frames and tags. So all of these will vary. Love these sweet little ducks in here. And then Vicky Bouton's Where To Next collection, you're going to get one sheet of the puffy stickers. So these will vary. You'll get this sheet or the other one. Lots and lots of words for titles. So that's a look at the embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-on kits. Be sure to join us on the Facebook group and the blog to see what everybody else is creating. And don't forget that the Shots of Life also coordinates. I'll have a video link here so you can see it for more pattern paper and more embellishments to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.